This edition of the Ebony Excellence series features a Smoky individual, a passionate pitmaster who professionally produces picture-perfect plates of sustenance, whose custom rubs accompany the grilling grub, leaving taste buds in awe and done to perfection with no sauce. A gentleman and a scholar, a grilling great from chicken, pork, seafood, and steak. A family man with no controversy. He also takes orders for grilled turkeys. In love with doing the work, see Daniel Hammond, pitmaster in the Ebony Excellence series. Welcome back to the Ebony Excellence series, care of Rastazrealities. A highlight of Ebony people's roads to success through various methods of activity, function, and improved quality of life. I appreciate the likes, shares, comments, and subbing to the channel to further provide support for all mentioned. Thank you. There's something about Bald Brothers that encourages others and sets the pace any place that we are. To arms and our specialty, operating with humility. No shade to him, her, or thee. Daniel Hammond, vocal artist and grilling artisan. I first learned about Daniel through a mutual acquaintance, who also is a musician. And as I am a barbecue lover, mainly chicken, beef, and turkey, the gravitational pull of Daniel's grilling techniques are most certainly interesting and a constant blessing for him, his family, and the restaurant crew. He pulls no punches for superb dinners and lunches. So much so, you see, even food critics gotta eat. A man and his meat. For grilling. A top-tier tradesman representing Chicago the proper way, and not just the negative narratives that's big profit for media names. Why not place an order or attend an event and eat? Speaking of meeting, in support of Good Eats and of Daniel Hammond, proprietor of Smoky Soul Barbecue, Daniel can be found on Instagram, Facebook, and even on Google, certifying the legit nature of his work and flavorful foods that he puts his mind, body, and soul into. Also to mention the website that he runs, and all the links for the aforementioned will be in the description for your edification. One event that I love to attend is the Real Father's Cook, held at the South Shore Cultural Center on the east side of Chicago, or the lakefront area. A collection of men barbecuing, grilling, networking, and representing what real men do, as opposed to some false narratives that is projected at us.